On your right is the new bobsled luge and skeleton start buildings built in 1999 for the Winter Goodwill Games. And further right you will see the ski jumps, Face Mountain, the Olympic Arena downtown Lake Placid, and that's where the greatest moment in sport of the 20th century took place in 1980 when a bunch of USA college hockey players beat the mighty Russians in the famous Miracle on Ice. You might have seen that movie Miracle with Kurt Russell. You are approaching the top of the ride. Remember, keep your seatbelts buckled at all times. You will soon be entering the downhill track. Push the brake levers forward now and keep them forward until you have passed the attendant building. Ladies and gentlemen, now get ready for your ride down this historic track. You'll be going over the top of the same track used for both the 1932 and 1980 Winter Olympic Games. Attention. And they're off down the long straightaway above curve 1. Taking the curve. Pushing curve 2. Taking curve 2. Through. On the way to Cliffside. Approaching Cliffside. Taking Cliffside. Through Cliffside. And on the way to curve 6. Approaching curve 6. Taking the curve through. On the long straightaway above curve 7. This is where the sleds really started to accelerate. Approaching 7. Taking the curve through 7. Now below us is the straightaway to curve 8. Approaching 8, taking the curve, through 8, on the way to Big Shady. Taking the big curve at Shady, through, and on the long straightaway above Little S. Shady was one of the most famous curves in the world, and the reason they called it Shady, it always was covered in shades to protect it against the sunlight. The G-forces in that curve were incredible. Taking the curve, through the S, on the way to curve 12. The curve, through 12 on the way to the world famous zigzag curve. Zigging, sagging. What a change of direction at 75-mile-an-hour plus. Huge crowds used to be in the zigzag area, and for good reason. Through zigzag and on the way to curve 15. Taking the curve 15 on the long straightaway above the finish curve. And now we're going to enter a 360-degree curve we call a Kreisel. Only 2 Olympic tracks ever had one of these. Now you're approaching the finish curve, taking the curve through and down. Taking a bobsled ride is called the Champagne of Thrills. And if you like what you just did, sign up for the real deal. Taking a bobsled ride is called the Champagne of Thrills. But if you like what you just did, sign up for the real deal, the ride on ice in the winter.
How was it, Jack?
There you go, guys. You can climb on out.